In this video, we are going to take a look at how to turn off those notifications in Schoology. You're going to be in Schoology every single day, so you probably don't need an email every time a teacher updates something, or you're going to have your email completely bogged down throughout this school year. So you first need to get to your Schoology, so you either have that bookmarked or you went to the portal. Then you're going to come up here to the top right-hand corner where it says your name, and you're going to click on your name. You're going to scroll down to Settings, and then one of these tabs across the top here says Notifications. So go ahead and click on Notifications, and all of these right here under Email, you can just turn all of them off. Now, if there's one or two that you want to keep on, that's up to you, but please make sure that most of these are like course updates posted or there's an assignment. Your teachers are going to do that all the time. So if you leave those on, you're probably going to get anywhere from 2 to 20 emails in a day, and that's just not necessary for something you're going to be in all the time anyway. But if you want to leave something on about, someone responds to a discussion thread or something that you posted, that's okay. When you're finished, scroll all the way to the bottom, hit Save Changes, and then you have changed your notifications and won't get 55 Schoology emails. Congratulations. Have a great day.